everybody, this is Deanna with Mad Bees Quilt and Sew, and as you know, we're doing our 12 Days of Christmas Deals event. So today's deal is going to be the Westfield laser cut wall hangings. They end up looking like this one up here. This one happens to be Chicago. What the kit comes with is all of the laser cut pieces that you need to be able to make whatever wall hanging is on the front here. Now here's how you get your options. So we have tons of these in store, and you can see what options we have by going to our website and looking up State Pride, and you'll see all the options we have available. Otherwise, if you'd like to go to westfielddesigns.com, you can take a look at all of their State Pride, and you can just let us know which state you want. Okay, so we're going to give you a code word for you to type in and email us if you'd like to take advantage of today's deal. Normally these are all $39, but if you order them during the 12 days, it's only going to be $31. So it's a little over 20% off. So I'm just saying it's a great deal. Get your State Pride going and order with us today.
Okay, so you decided that you wanted that item that I showed you on the 12 Days of Christmas. Email us right here with this code word and we will get it to you. madbeesorders@gmail.com. Get that word, you'll get the item.